This video is the third part of Firebase Realtime Database. In case you haven't watched the previous two videos, please watch them first. In this video, we will be dealing with list of data inside Firebase Realtime Database. So, I have added 4 more values inside profiles. We will be accessing these 5 values from our Android project and we will display them in a recycler view. So, in activity_rtdb1, we will add a recycler view. Width, match parent. Height, wrap content. ID, rv_rtdb. Top to bottom of RTDB display. Margin top, 10. Padding top, 20. Padding bottom, 20. Now, we will create a new layout for recycler view item. Click on the video in the I button to learn about recycler view. Layout, new, layout resource file. We will name it RTDB child. So, we will have card view as root layout, and we will place 5 text views inside the card view to display different details about the person. Height, wrap content. Margin, 10. Card corner radius, 50. Card elevation, 15. So here for each person, we have name, age, phone, and address as country, city, state, and PIN code. So, we will display name, age, phone, country name, and PIN code in card view. Text view. Width and height, wrap content. ID, TV_username. Margin left, 40. Margin top, 20. Copy and paste the same text view again. This time, ID, TV_user age. Margin left, 150. ID, TV_user phone. Margin left, 250. ID, TV_user country. Margin top 60. Margin bottom 20. ID, TV_user PIN code. Margin left, 200. Now for recycler view, we will add RTDB_child as list item. We will create reference for this recycler view in RTDB1 activity. Recycler view, rv_rtdb. So here, we have data, and each value, as name as key. So, we will create 2 separate array lists, one to store data and other to store keys, that is names. rv_rtdb equals, find view by ID, a.id.rv_rtdb. Database reference child profiles here we will use child event listener. We can get all the children present under profiles even by using value event listener, but child event listener provides more options and is more flexible. So, whenever we are using the child event listener, all the data will be accessed under onChildAdded. As I have said, we will create 2 array lists, and then we will store the data in them. Array list, type contact model, contact models array list equals new array list. Array list, type string, names equals new array list. Now, inside onChildAdded, contact models ArrayList.add. Here, snapshot will be each individual child instead of entire profiles node. Snapshot.getValue, contact model.class. Names.add, snapshot.getKey. Now, onChildChange will be called whenever data is changed for any of the children. So whenever data is changed, we will update the recycler view and display the name of the child in text view. Int number equals names.getIndex of snapshot.getKey. So, we are getting the position of the child which has been updated. Now, we need to set the new value to contact model ArrayList. Context model ArrayList.set number snapshot.getValue contact model.class. Now, we will display the name of the child that has been updated. We will not be displaying the key here. TV_RTD display dot set text context model dot get number dot get name. We will comment the value event listener which we have used in part 1 and 2. Now, we will create a recycler view adapter. So, right-click on root package, new package, we will name it adapters. Now right-click on adapters package, new Java class, we will name it RTDB adapter. So first, we will create a view holder. Public static class view holder extends recycler view dot view holder. Now, our adapter needs to extend this view holder. Extends recycler view dot adapter RTDB adapter dot view holder. Implement all three methods. Now inside view holder, we will create reference for all 5 text views we have created in RTDB_child. Text view TV username. TV username equals item view dot find view by ID @id.tv username. Now, we will copy both the array lists which we have created in RTDB1 activity and paste it in adapter, since we will be using those array lists here. Return context model ArrayList.size. Now, we need to create a constructor for this adapter, so that we can set the data to this adapter. Public RTDB adapter ArrayList context model ArrayList. ArrayList string names. This dot context model ArrayList equals context model ArrayList. This dot names equals names. Now, we need to inflate the layout RTDB_child inside on create view holder. View item equals layout inflated dot from parent dot get context dot inflate a dot layout dot RTDB_child view group parent attached to root false. Return new view holder item. Now, we need to set data, which will be done in onBind view holder. Holder.tv_username.setText context model ArrayList.get position.get name. Here, position is the index of current item in the recycler view. Holder.tv_userage.setText string.value of context model ArrayList.get position.get age. Holder.tv_userphone.setText string.value of context model ArrayList.get position.get phone. Holder.tv underscore user country dot set text context model array list dot get position dot get address model dot get country. Holder.tv underscore user pin code dot set text string dot value of context model array list dot get position dot get address model dot get pin code. Now in RTDB1 activity, we need to set this adapter to the recycler view. RTDB adapter equals new RTDB adapter context model array list names. Linear layout manager equals new linear layout manager context this orientation vertical and reverse layout false. RV underscore RTDB dot set layout manager RV underscore RTDB dot set adapter. Now, we have given array list to adapter and we have set adapter to recycler view. But, our array lists are empty and the data is added to them inside onChildAdded. So after adding the data inside onChildAdded, we will update the adapter using adapter.notify dataset changed. We will notify the adapter again in onChild changed. Now, I will open Firebase console and change data of one of the children. You can see, the data is updated and the name of that person is displayed. We are displaying name from the data instead of key,